Kamusta? This is your Simply Twiller and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Magre-replace tayo spark plug ng Honda PCX, and this spark plug is been there for a long time. My PCX is 6 years old this coming August, and yung spark plug ko is this is the second time replacement. So ito yung stocks spark plug ng Honda PCX. Then may isang spark plug dito, yung replacement nito, and will be replacing a new one. So ang nabili kong spark plug is dalawa lang, ito at saka ito. So pinalitan ko kasi I am experiencing a little bit of medyo makiliting handlebar vibration. Nalitan ko na ng bagong air filter, nilinis ko na yung CVT, the torque drive, and the pulley, and then yet I am still experiencing a little bit or medyo makiliting handlebar vibration. Base sa experience ko noon from my Rakal motorcycle to my Gixxer and then this one Honda PCX, base sa experience ko, isa sa dahilan ng handlebar vibration or magbabibrate yung kunti yung makina, it's just because yung spark plug is medyo luma na. Need na talaga palitan ng spark plug. So I think ito yung solution kung bakit I am experiencing na medyo may kunting handlebar vibration sa Honda PCX. So tanggalin na natin yung spark plug. So ito yung lumang spark plug ni Honda PCX, and as you can see is wala masyadong carbon deposits. It's just because I am using a Caltex gasoline. Meron na kasi kaming Caltex gasoline dito sa Toledo, and it's been around for malapit na or more or less 1 year, and I am using this Caltex gasoline for that time na, for that long na. So dito I think dito may kunting na sa conduit, and medyo yung gap niya is medyo malayo na. Ito yung bagong spark plug, and this is 200 pesos yung nabili ko dito, 240 pesos. So tingnan mo yung gap, this one, and gap this one. So kung wala pa kayong pambili spark plug or walang available sa inyo, pwede mo naman itong pihitin or idiin ng konti para maging ganito yung clearance niya. But for me, gusto ko nang talagang palitan. So ito talaga yung sunog ang performance ng Caltex gasoline. totoo palang sabi nila na maganda ang Caltex gasoline for carbon deposits. So yung carbon deposits nito, it's not because of the carbon cleaner ng Honda, dahil hindi ganyan kalinis yung carbon cleaner ng Honda. This is because of the Caltex gasoline. So medyo maganda na yung tunog ng makina. Medyo kalmado na ang andar ni Honda PCX ko. And mamaya is i-testing ko siya sa karsada. Hanggang dito na lang. Thank you for watching. This is your Simply The Wheeler. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell kung gusto nyo palagi kong update sa mga bagong videos ko tulad dito. Once again,